The internet says an accolade is an award or privilege granted as a special honor or as an acknowledgement of merit. Accolades in cold calling are used to communicate how capable a business is to perform at a high level. Accolades can be helpful in marketing because companies who are interested in using a business can have more confidence in their ability to produce the result that potential buying customer is ultimately looking for. Accolades are achieved by businesses performing work in a way that's notable. Businesses communicate these achievements to grasp the attention of the potential customers that they're looking to do business with. For example, if a business says that they have worked with 100 different companies, that would translate to having a good amount of experience in the industry. If a business says that they're one of the fastest growing in an industry, this might communicate the need that the market has for that particular product or service. If they have worked with a recognized brand, this can mean that businesses have been through a significant and thorough vetting process that can give other companies confidence in that business's ability to perform at a high level.
Is that good?